The magic of my job is that I make everything happen. I make sure they have everything for the events, make sure the laundry's got what they need, the dishwashers got whatever they need on the dish room, get all the liquors that we need for the events. I'm the person that they call every single day, wherever they need me, I'm there. My name is Mario Rodriguez. I've been working for the Arcade Group for 50 years and 1 week. Yeah, I was 15 years old when Rosemary asked me if I wanted to work after school. She says, I'm gonna pay you $1.60 an hour. So I was like, oh man, got a good check, a big check, back then. Started working in Zarzamora Street. We used to do everything, wash dishes, help in the kitchen. And I met Mr. Hank. He used to cook all the briskets for the event overnight. As a matter of fact, he used to spend the night there at that place, checking on the briskets. I used to go like a captain with Greg. I got to serve Lady Bird Johnson, and I love it, to be part of that and being here. I think the biggest lesson to me through all of these years is that Rosemary Kowalski, I guess she teach me how to work throughout the years and never say no, and attitude is everything. Being at the first place, Zarzamora, then moved to East Commerce, Convention Center, and now to this beautiful place. I've been here 50 years, and I'm ready for another 50. Thank you.